This is an exam question about the effect of antibiotics on bacteria. It says hospitals can check to see if a strain of bacteria causing infection is resistant to a range of antibiotics. And it's by using something called a multodisc. So this is a multodisc where you've got a disc that contains different antibiotics. And you can see here from this multodisc we have got 6 antibiotics numbered 1 to 6, and we've got a key here with the names of the antibiotics. It says the bacteria isolated from the patient. So we've got bacteria that the spread on the nutrient agar. So nutrient agar provides the nutrients for bacteria growth, and that's within a petri dish. The multodisc is placed on the agar with the antibiotics at points 1 to 6. It then says figure 3.3 shows the petri dish with the bacteria in which it is placed a multodisc containing 6 different antibiotics. This disc is then left for the bacteria to grow, and we can see here that we've got the results. So the Y area is an area of no growth. The bacteria in those areas will have been killed because they will have been spread all over this agar plate, and there's no longer any bacteria in these areas. So the white areas indicate areas where bacteria have been killed. We can see from this that antibiotic 3 and 6, there's still growth around those antibiotics. So that is sulfonamide and number 3, neomycin. So that the bacteria are antibiotic resistant to those 2 antibiotics. And we'll clearly see the areas of growth with the different antibiotics are different sizes. 4 having the largest area of no growth, or the largest area where bacteria have been killed. Don't say, when we're talking about this, that there's no bacteria. You want to say that they're killed or no growth. Right, the question then says, explain why there are clear areas of agar in the petri dish. So the agar is providing perfect growing conditions, but you can see around antibiotic number 4, for example, there's a large area which is clear, and you can clearly see there's no bacteria growth. And the reason why is that the bacteria are killed, or the bacteria cannot grow. And that's because of it's in the presence of the antibiotic. Again, don't say that there's no bacteria. Or that the bacteria are broken down. The antibiotic is not digesting the bacteria, it's killing the bacteria or stopping the bacteria from growing. You need to make sure that you're talking about the bacteria. Right. Final part of the question says, using figure point 3, name the antibiotic that's most effective against the bacteria causing the infection. So these are our results. We can see the area where the bacteria are killed. We've said 3 and 6 don't affect the bacteria at all, so the bacteria are resistant to those 2 antibiotics. 5 has got the smallest area, whereas 4 has got the largest area where there's no growth and the most bacteria killed. So therefore, the antibiotic which is most effective is number 4, which is streptomycin. Okay, streptomycin. So that is the antibiotic that is most effective against that infection.